So here we are given solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. Let's take the first. Okay. X plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4. These two equations we are given. So let's try to solve. Let me call this equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Clear? Now, as we know, here we need to apply substitution method. Substitution method. For this method, what we have to do here, just look at the screen. We have to make a subject to any one from equation 1. So here equation is x plus y equal to 14. Let me make a subject to x. So the value of x is 14 minus y. Okay, I am making the subject to x. So I have x equal to 14 minus y. So dear student, here the value of x I made a subject it. So I got 14 minus y. Clear? So what I am going to do now, substituting this value. Substituting the value of x in equation number 2. Okay, this is our second equation. In that I am going to substitute the value. The equation is x minus y equal to 4. Therefore, can I write the value of x here 14 minus y in place of x, and this is y. So 14 minus y equal to 4. Minus y gives the result minus 2y. So I need to mention this is minus 2y equal to 4. So minus 2y equal to 4 minus 14. Here minus 2y equal to 4 minus 14. So 4 minus 14, it gives the result minus 10. So minus 2y equal to minus 10. Therefore, the value of 10 is 10 divided by 2. This minus will be cancelled from both the sides. So the final is y equal to 5. The value of y we are gaining, that is y equal to 5. Okay. This is the value of y. We are going to substitute it in the equation in any of this. Okay. I want to put this value here in this equation. So let's check what will be the value of x then. So here the equation is x equal to 14 minus y. In that I am going to substitute this value y equal to 5 here. So 14 minus 5, so x equal to 9. So the final answer we need to mention the x equal to the solution of this equation, x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. This is the answer. Clear to you? So the second question is on your screen. S minus t equal to 3. S by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. So let me call this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. As we want to apply substitution method, so I am choosing the first equation here and I am making a subject to s here. So it will be 3 plus t. So the value of s equal to 3 plus t. Now substituting this value, substituting the value of s in equation number 2. Okay. Our equation number 2, what is that? That is s by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. Now I am going to substitute the value of s 3 plus t over here. 3 plus t by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. Then how to simplify? How to solve this? For that, we need to take an LCM. LCM of 3 and 2. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? It is 6. So I need to multiply this with 2 and here with 3. So I have here 2 in bracket, 3 plus t, and this side 3 into t, that is 3t. This 6 is already here. LCM of this is 6 coming, so it will be multiplied to this side. Okay, whatever the LCM you will write here, that we need to multiply over here. Okay, so 2 3 just 6 plus t plus 3t equal to 36. Therefore, 3t plus t is 40 equal to 36 minus 6. So let's see the further solution now. So the simplification is coming 40 equal to 30. Therefore, the value of t is 30 divided by 4. If we divide 30 by 4, so it will be 15 by 2. So the value of t with us is 15 by 2. This is the value of t we are gaining. Okay. Now what we are going to do in the next step? We will substitute this value in place of this t. So what do we have? It's the value. Let's check. Now substituting the value as 3 plus t over here, and this is 3, this is t by 2 equal to 6. So dear student, here LCM is 6. Okay, so I need to multiply here with 2 and here with 3. So 2 in bracket 3 plus t, and here 3 into t, 3t, that is, and 6 into 6, because we know the LCM of this is coming 6. So the product of 3 with 2, 6 into 2t plus 3t equal to 36. Okay, so what do we have here? 6 plus 5t equal to 36. Therefore 5t equal to 36 minus 6, so 5t equal to 30. So what will be the value of t? Therefore, the value of t is 30 divided by 5. We know that it is 6, 6 5 is 30. So value of t equal to 6. Let's substitute this value in this equation. Okay, so let's find how to solve. So substituting the value or putting the value of t equal to 6 in this. So s equal to 3 plus t. Therefore, s equal to 3 plus 6. So s equal to 9. So what is the solution? What is the solution? So we need to write the final answer, s equal to 9 and t equal to 6. This is the solution of this second question. Got it? So the third one we are given is 3x minus y equal to 3 and 9x minus y equal to 9. This is one, this is second equation. You are correct. This is first equation, this is second equation. Now let me make a subject to y here in first equation. So if I make a subject to y, then I need to bring this 3 to this side and this minus y will move to that side. So the value of y we are gaining 3x minus 3. This value I am going to substitute in equation number 2. So please note down substituting method we are applying. So substituting the value of y in equation number 2. What is the equation number 2? 9x is already there into 3. The value of y is 3x minus 3. I am inserting here. So here it will be 9x minus 3 3 ja 9x minus plus 3 3 ja 9. So you can see this will be cancelled. So 9 equal to 9. In such a case, no variable exists. No variable exists, then how to solve? So in that case, we need to write here the equation, the given equation. Actually we need to mention the final answer. This type of equation will have infinitely many solutions. Whenever you find this type of results are coming with us, so we need to mention equation has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. This type of question will be asked as a 1 marks type of question to solve. And when you find no solution of x or y any variable, then you need to mention here as an answer. Either it can be asked as an MCQs also. So you need to mention it has infinitely many solutions, plural. Got it? So dear student, fourth one I have written here, 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3. So first of all, let me call this is equation 1 and 2. Before that, I need to write it here in this way. Can I write 0.2 as 2 by 10x, 3 by 10y, and this is 13 by 10, and this can be written as 4 by 10x, 5 by 10y, and this is 23 by 10. Got it? Now, all the way you can see 10 is here and 10 is here. Okay, so it will be removed both the sides. So, the general equation will become 2x plus 3y equal to 13 and 4x plus 5y equal to 23. Got it? These two equations with us. Now, it depends on us how we are going to simplify. So now I am giving this first equation. This is I am saying second equation. Now substituting them here. We are making subject here. 2x plus 3y equal to 13. Therefore, I am making the subject to x here. So it will be 13 minus 3y, and the value of x is 13 minus 3y divided by 2. This 2 will be in the denominator. So the value of x will be 13 minus 3y by 2. Okay. This value I am going to substitute in equation number 2. What is our equation 2? Here in this equation, in place of x, I am going to substitute this value now. So my dear student, here 4x plus 5y equal to 23. This is our second equation. In this equation, I am substituting the value of x. Substituting the value of x. Okay. So we know the value of x. It's a value I have mentioned here. So I am mentioning it here. That is 13 minus 3y by 2. Fine. This value I insert here in place of x. So how to simplify? As we know, 2 will be cancelled with this. So 2 will remain outside. 2 to the 4. So 2 bracket 13 minus 3y plus 5y equal to 23. So how to solve further, you know very well. So the product 13 with 2 gives the result 26. 2 3 just 6y plus 5y equal to 23. So here minus 6y plus 5y is minus y. Fine. So let me bring this 23 to this side and this minus y will be that side. 26 minus 23 is 3. So the value of y equal to 3. This value of y equal to 3. Now I am going to substitute where I have written x equal to this. Okay. So let's see how to solve and further answer. So the value of x with us is 13 minus 3y by 2. In that I am going to substitute the value of y here. Okay, value of y is 3 I am inserting. So 13 minus 3 teacher 9 by 2. 13 minus 9 that is 4. 4 by 2. The answer is coming 2. So dear student, the value of x for this equation is 2 and the value of y that is 3. So this is the solution of fourth equations. with the substitution method.